How you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you're well. Another video. Last video, it was just the idea. We was just brainstorming of like the new story. This video, I'm gonna show you how far I got. I still haven't wrote anything down. Still throwing ideas, you know. So I'm gonna flip the screen now. Give me a minute. Okay, so this is the story. I haven't written the story, but like this is the world, so I'm building up the world. So you have, it's like a hierarchy system of how evil in the society trickles down. So remember I was saying like how Disney made like magic like a happy go thing, but really in some cultures and some beliefs magic is a dark arts. So what that means is like people use it for bad things. Is it malicious? Yeah, malicious. So people are malicious, you know, and that's what they use it. So we start at the bottom. Well, this is where, because you don't want to just, well, I don't just want a story that's, you know, just gonna start and then finish. So I'm building. It's like levels, like when you're playing games. You know, you go to level 1 easy, level 2, level 3 gets harder, it gets harder, it gets harder. So this is my levels of that. So at the bottom it's just like the easy obstacles that they have to face. So that's like the thieves, the drug addicts, the bullies, the delinquents, the loiterers. You know, if any of my spelling's bad, it is what it is. There's no spell check on here. And then, you know, you have gangsters, kidnappers, groomers, drug dealers. You have gang leaders, mob bosses, crime bosses, magicians. So you can see you know, everyone's getting promoted as you're going up. So then you have the magicians and then monsters, and then at the top you have the devil, which is like the ultimate evil boss. And then it just trickles down, it trickles down to the low level. So as you can see, I haven't really finished everything. So you have the ordinary world with what it starts with, which will be you know, the kids have to stay with the dad. They don't want to stay with the father because it's boring, whatever. And then here's some characters that are just trying to flesh out, and you know, see where they fit. So I had the delinquents. These are the delinquents. These type of two, you know, the ones outside of the shop. You wanna go in the shop, or the ones that's like the bullies. You know, that you're minding your business and they might rob your phone or even mug you, beat you up, whatever. They're delinquents. I don't know what this old man is, but I don't know, I just drew him. And then you have the monsters and then demons, you know, the monsters and then demons. And then here's some more where I was fleshing out the characters. So you have like the magicians. Then this is like, I don't know if I should make him like a demon or a magician, but you can see he's got the eye in there. And then these are the little, because you know what it is, you want like throwaway characters where they just get beaten up every time, you know. So I'm gonna need to design that as well. And then you got more over this side, this like evil looking, I don't know, like scary monster. Because I'm trying to draw them scary as well. So to really drive that home. And then this is the father fighting one of the demons. I don't have a name for them yet. I'm just yeah. This is very unorthodox. Usually people have everything written down. I'm more visual. I'm more visual person. So how you write things down, I draw things down. You know. And then I showed this last time. This is the dojo. The father training the son. Once they get into that life of like protecting the community, and then it's not called Jailani Squad, by the way, but you have them there, and that's just like what each of them fancies. I think I showed these last time. And then this is like them just interacting, like he's just like, yo kids, you know, how big's my belly? And this is like some environmental stuff. So yeah, so just a quick post and update, and I'm out.